Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Super Mario Run game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim free gifts within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Super Mario Run game on your device. And once you are inside the homepage, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Then tap on the My Nintendo option, which will appear as the link button if you haven't already linked your account. After linking your account, the My Nintendo page will open up. And now, you can see various different rewards that you can claim by spending your points. There is also the Toad option, which you can get by spending 0 points. Just tap on the Toad option and then tap on Redeem. Confirm your redemption by tapping on the Redeem button once again. And now you can claim your reward. Go back to the main menu and then tap on the gift box at the right side. When you tap on it, you will see all of the different rewards that you have received. Tap on the Receive All button in order to receive all of the rewards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to claim free gifts on the Super Mario Run game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.